ప్లేన్ వస్తుంది బాడీ షోల్డర్ కూడా
ఇదా Good evening, my dear gorgeous ladies. How are you doing all? Hope you all are doing fine and healthy. Today I'm at Brand Mandir store. Sankranti special episodes and don't miss. Beautiful Gadwal sarees to main munduku vachanu. Let's have a mannequin look, then come back to our collections. Now back to our collections. Beautiful Gadwal silk sarees and very pretty sarees. Look at this gorgeous saree which is in green and red combination. Very beautiful. all over floral booties వచ్చాయి and very pretty border, green color edge, contrast red color border ki green edge వచ్చిందండి with diamonds, paisleys. Let me show you the pallu. Stunning gorgeous pallu, all over diamond brocade, floral zigzag lines along with the floral vines border. Look at the border. And blouse వచ్చేసి మనకి కాంట్రాస్ట్ రెడ్ కలర్ బ్లౌజ్ వస్తుందండి. ఈ సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ జస్ట్ టేక్ అ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ లైక్ దిస్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ సెండ్ ఆన్ 73337300. Now let's move on to second saree. ఈ సారీ డీటెయిల్స్, here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code. These are weavers prices only for 24 hours. 9,350 is the saree cost. Let's see on the beautiful saree. And do follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more lives and more collections. And alage YouTube lo kuda ma channel brand mandane subscribe cheyandi and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new video you'll be getting notification. Ee saree vachesi beige and black combination, very graceful combination. All over rudraksh and peacock booties vachayandi. And beautiful border, florals, cross kaddi along with the huge florals and peacocks. Such a stunning beautiful saree. Let me show the pallu. Pallu is contrast with diamond brocade, florals along with the border, peacock and floral vines. And the blouse is contrast with border. And the gorgeous saree pricing and details. Here we go with the saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 73337300. Very gorgeous saree. Let me show you another saree. Beautiful peach and purple వచ్చేస్తుంది. One more lovely combination. All over paisleys and florals in the body. Border is contrast with cross kaddi, elephants and peacock border. Purple color. Pallu is contrast with complete leaf and floral brocade along with the elephant and peacock border. And this is the blouse, contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 73337300. Beautiful color combination, lovely drape. Let me show you another collection. Purple and beige combination, what a classy combination. Very lovely and fabulous color combination. All over checks, thread checks, it's a beige checks vachayandi along with the lovely peacock booties. And the border is contrast with cross kaddi and paisleys. And here we go with the pallu, contrast pallu with paisleys and cross kaddi along with the floral border. And this is the blouse with border, contrast blouse. And let me show you the pricing and details of this beautiful saree. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Very lovely saree. Let me show you another lovely saree. Wow, very lovely combination. Isn't it stunning? Beautiful blue and beige combination. All over thread checks with floral booties. And the border is diamond brocade along with the temples and floral vines. Beautiful pallu, contrast pallu with paslays and cross diamonds vachayandi with florals and paslays. And the blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000 and the cost is 14,450. These sarees are weavers prices only for 24 hours, so don't miss this such beautiful collections. Very lovely saree. Let me show you another lovely saree. Green and black, stunning green and black combination. All over pasley and leaf booty sochai with gold and silver zari. And the border is contrast. Beautiful contrast border. And beautiful pallu with diamonds and florals, cross diamonds, florals along with the pasley border. Blouse is stunning black color with border. And this saree pricing and details. Here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Screenshot తీసుకున్నారు కదా? Yeah. Alpa garu, thanks for contacting us. ఇలాంటి sarees చాలా ఉన్నాయండి, చాలా కలర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. Just wait and watch. We have very wide range of collections. Let me show you another color also. Stunning black with blue combination. All over floral booties. And the border is cross cutty with pasleys. And this is the blouse. This is the pallu, floral brocade with pasley border and floral vines, blocks. And this is the blouse. Contrast blue color blouse with border. Very lovely saree andi. All sarees are too good and very beautiful collections we have in Gadwals especially. And Gadwals lo manaku vachesi color combination chaala gorgeous ga untayi. Ee saree vachesi beige and parrot green combination lo undi. Very lovely shade. And all over peacocks and oval shaped Rudraksh booties vachai. And the border is contrast with temples and kadi lines. Beautiful pallu, contrast with diamond brocade along with the peacock border. And we got stunning blouse, contrast all over buttas and border. Let me show you the pricing and details of this beautiful saree. And these are weavers prices only for 24 hours. and the price is 12,070. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Very classy combinations, very lovely, fantastic color combinations with the reasonable prices and the best quality. Let me show you another lovely sari. Stunning green and pink combination. All over round booties, florals. And beautiful border, contrast border with diamond brocade, pastellays, floral vines along with the temples. And this is the pallu, contrast pallu with diamonds and pastellays, floral vines border. This is the blouse, contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details to set down. 18,445. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Let me show you another beautiful saree. Wow. Bottle green with mustard combination. All over booties vachayandi, floral booties. And the border is contrast with diamonds and zigzag along with the temples. Beautiful pallu with diamond blocks, florals and pastellays, floral vines border. This is the blouse, contrast blouse with border. And the saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. And the price is 12,070. Gorgeous and gorgeous color combination. All sarees are very beautiful and stunning. Let me show you another lovely saree. If you are pastel lovers, here we go. Just grab this lovely collections. It's in beige and pink combination. All over checks with gold and silver peacocks and Rudraksh booties. Subarna garu, Leela garu, Archana garu, thank you Andy, thank you so much. This saree vachesi border diamond brocade with yalis and peacocks vachai. Beautiful pallu, magenta pink, a stunning pallu with diamond brocade and round booties in it, along with the lovely peacock border with the meenakari, slight touch of meena. And ఈ గద్వాల్ వీవ్ అనేది చాలా రాయల్ గా ఉంటుందండి, రిచ్నెస్ ఓవర్లోడెడ్ ఉంటుంది ఇందులో. And the blouse is contrast with border. And ఈ saree pricing and details, let me show you. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000, and it costs 15,470. Let me show you another lovely saree. Wow. My all-time favorite and the parrot green pink anedi evergreen combination. All over florals, floral booties, and with a stunning border with pastellays, florals in curvy lines along with the temples. Zari temples vachai and thread temples kuda vachai. And beautiful pallu with diamonds and round booties along with the Paisleys. And this is the gorgeous contrast blouse with border with the edge contrast. And the saree pricing and details. Here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code, and the price is 13,090. Send us immediately on 733 733 7000. ఎందుకు ఇమీడియట్లీ అన్నానంటే ఆల్ కలర్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ అండి. మళ్ళీ తర్వాత సోల్డ్ అవుట్ అని వస్తుంది అని మాకు కంప్లైంట్ చేయొద్దు. సో గ్రాబ్ దిస్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీస్ అండ్ వెంటనే నచ్చిందంటే వెంటనే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేసేయండి. బుక్ యువర్ సారీ యాజ్ సూన్ యాజ్ పాసిబుల్. ఇట్స్ అ ఫెస్టివ్, ద సంక్రాంతి వస్తుంది కాబట్టి ఇట్స్ అ ఆరెంజ్ అండ్ వాయిలెట్ కాంబినేషన్. All over floral booties, contrast border with kaddi and floral vines, and pallu vachesi contrast with floral brocade along with the floral vines and paisleys. And the blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details, let me show you. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. And we ship globally and within Hyderabad. Cash and delivery option kuda undi. Hyderabad lo unde vallaki enchaka cash and delivery option pettukochandi. You can pay after receiving your courier. Let's see another pretty saree. Grey with Ganga Jamuna border, black and red combination, pinkish red, tomato red. All over oval shape booties vachai. And kinda vaipu black color border with kaddi, blocks and florals. Pai vaipu vachesi pink color undandi. And contrast pallu, black color with paisleys, floral vines. Madhyalo anta diamond booties vachai. And the blouse is stunning black color with border. Ee saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Let me show you another beautiful saree. Beautiful blue with purple combination, purplish blue. All over body anta peacocks and round booties vachayandi with gold and silver zari. And we got a stunning border with lovely lotus, round booties with curves, leaves, kaddi, alternate ga vachai borders. And beautiful pallu, contrast pallu with diamonds and florals along with the kaddi borders and lovely lotus border. And this is the blouse, contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details. Here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Let me show you another beautiful saree. And you can visit our store. It's in road number 56, Jubilee Hills, near Peddamma Temple, G. Ramireddy Mark. And one more store is at road number 10, Banjara Hills. Both are in Hyderabad. Lovely purple and orange, peachish orange. Beautiful checks thread checks with round booties, big and small, and bigger dantlo maniki paslays kuda vachayi. And border vachesi kaddi with paslays. Contrast pallu with cross diamonds, cross design, leaves, along with the paslays and floral vines. And the blouse is contrast with border. E-saree pricing and details, here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. ఈ సారీ ఒకసారి డీటెయిలింగ్ చూసేద్దాం. And you can follow us regularly అండి in Instagram, Facebook, బ్రాండ్ మందిర్ పేజ్ని ఫాలో అవ్వండి. బికాస్ ఇలాంటి బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఆఫర్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు, లవ్లీ కలెక్షన్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మిస్ అవ్వకుండా ఉంటారు. అండ్ ఈ సంక్రాంతి సీజన్ డైలీ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ 3 lives. సో ఈ 3 lives మిస్ అవ్వకండి. వీ హ్యావ్ లాట్స్ ఆఫ్ కలెక్షన్స్. సో స్టే ట్యూన్ బ్రాండ్ మందిర్ పేజ్. ఈసారి చూసేద్దాం. Now back to our collections. Alpha garu, Ragini garu, Chandana garu, Pinakini garu, Suji garu, Archana garu, Uma garu, Vijaya garu, Banu garu. Thank you Andy. Thank you so much for loving our collections. Keep loving Brand Mandir, and we bring you lots of collections to y'all. And ee beautiful sarees miss avakunda undandi. Meeku nachite ganaka saree ventane screenshot tesi maaku WhatsApp cheyandi and book your saree as soon as possible. Because these are exclusive collections, we have very lesser collections. Lovely yellow and pink combination. All over checks with peacocks, gold and silver zari peacocks. Border vachesi contrast with paslays, zigzag kaddi along with the temples. And beautiful pallu contrast with cross diamonds and florals inside in it. And manaki bite వైపు వచ్చేసి blocks లో ఫ్లవర్ వేజెస్ లాగా వచ్చాయి. And the blouse is contrast with lines and border. And ee saree pricing and details. $11,390 only. Take a screenshot and send us immediately on 733-733-7000. And these are weavers prices. I repeatedly say Andy, ivi chaala rare collections, beautiful color combinations unnai. So I don't want you all to miss this beautiful collection. So ventane screenshot tesi maaku WhatsApp cheyandi. Let me show you another beautiful saree vachestundi. Wow. Isn't it stunning? Very lovely blue with black combination. Very gorgeous Andy. Outstanding saree and all over big floral booties vache and medium size. Border vachesi chaala andanga undi with florals. Black contrast border with florals, small and bigger size, and zigzag diamonds, thread temples and edge contrast. ఈ గ్రీన్ ఎడ్జ్ రావడం వల్ల హైలైట్ గా ఉంది సారీ, చాలా అందంగా ఉంది. And let's see the pallu. Pallu is completely contrast with zigzag brocade along with the floral vines border and paslays above on it. Wow. Very gorgeous blouse, black color with border. And the saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. And this gorgeous saree costs 21,685. The saree fabric is too lightweight and too gorgeous, Andy. Let me show you another beautiful saree. Beige and red. Beautiful beige and red combination. All over silver zari to floral booties vachai. Border vachesi contrast red color with cross kaddi blocks and florals along with the temples. And beautiful pallu, contrast pallu with paslays. And మధ్యలో అంతా మనకి చెక్స్ వచ్చాయండి ఫ్లోరల్స్ అండ్ లీవ్స్ తో. And the blouse is contrast with border. ఈ saree pricing and details, here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Very gorgeous. Let's see another lovely saree. Yellow and purple color combination on there. And for more collections, do visit our website, that is www.brandmandu.com. One more beautiful combination. Royal blue with yellow. Nizangani royal ga undi, elegant ga undi. And all over ilanti colorful sarees ki koncham grand parties ki ala baaguntundadi day time lo. Night time lo koncham ante pastel shades but classiness tho unnai unte chaala beautiful ga untai. So day time lo meer enta bright ga kanapadalanunte anta bright ga kanapadachu. All over floral booties vachai. And the border is contrast with cross kaddi florals and round booties along with the temples. And the pallu is contrast with curvy leaves, floral vines and paslays. Contrast blouse with border. And the saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Let me show you another gorgeous saree. Beautiful green and peach combination. All over gold and silver floral and round booties, florals, peacock booties, and border chesi contrast with checks and temple border. And this is the beautiful pallu with checks, paslays and florals. It's a brocade blouse, contrast brocade blouse with border. And the saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Let me show you another beautiful saree. Peachish orange with blue color. All over checks with gold and silver, yali and peacock booties. Border వచ్చేసి contrast with yali and peacock border along with the diamond brocade with edge contrast pink color. Pallu is contrast with diamonds and beautiful peacock and peacock border వచ్చిందండి with meenakari. and the blouse is contrast with border. And ఈ సారీ ప్రైజింగ్ వచ్చేసి 10,710. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. నిషిత్ గారు, కవిత గారు, రాగిణి గారు, సునీత గారు, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్. Lots of love in written. Let me show you another beautiful saree. Look at this beautiful saree which is in green and yellow color. All over checks with oval shape and badam shape booties. Border is contrast with zigzag kati and floral vines, paisleys. And beautiful contrast pallu with zigzag lines, paisleys and paisley floral vines border. Beautiful blouse, contrast blouse with border. And the saree pricing and details, here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Let me show you another beautiful saree. Very gorgeous andi. Lovely beige, white and purple combination. All over body checks వచ్చాయి beige and white combination లో, and meenakari and silver zari తో paisley booties వచ్చాయి. And we got very lovely border, zigzag kaddi border with temples. And beautiful pallu with cross lines, floral vines and paisley border. Lovely contrast blouse with border. And the saree pricing and details, here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Let me show you another beautiful saree. Lovely green, lovely rama green with red and yellow combination. All over thread checks with floral booties. And border is upper side we got yellow color border, downside we got red color border with cross kadi, paisleys and florals. Pallu is contrast red color with heart shaped booties along with the floral vines with paisleys and paisley booties. And the blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details, take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. One second. Here we go with this one more gorgeous saree which is in green and peach color. All over checks with round booties and peacocks with gold and silver zari. Border వచ్చేసి beautiful contrast peach color border with peacocks and cross katti along with the rudraksh booties. పైన వచ్చేసి beautiful leaves design వచ్చింది. and beautiful pallu cross kaddi along with the peacocks with meena. And the blouse is contrast with border. And ఈ సారీ డీటెయిలింగ్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం అండి. ఈ సారీ ఆల్ ఓవర్ లుక్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. Do follow us on Instagram and Facebook, Brand Mandir page. అలాగే యూట్యూబ్లో కూడా మా ఛానల్ బ్రాండ్ మందిర్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. And you can visit our store. It's in road number 56, Jubilee Hills, near Peddama Temple. And one more store is at road number 10, Banjara Hills. Both are in Hyderabad. Let's see the saree. Saru garu, Lokesh garu, Sri Sudha garu, thank you so much Andy. Thanks for the laugh. Let's see the saree. Ee saree pricing and details. Here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Let me show you another beautiful saree. Very fabulous color, blue and beige. All over small checks with golden zari booties. Border is contrast with floral vines and cross kaddi. And lovely pallu, contrast pallu with cross kaddi florals along with the floral vines and paisleys. And the blouse is contrast with border. And ee saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Ananya garu, these are Gadwal silk sarees andi. Nenu chuinche sarees anni Gadwal silk sarees. It's a Sankranti special collections. All are new and all are new designs of lovely colors. So don't miss the sarees. Beautiful green and pink color combination. All over paisley booties వచ్చాయి silver zari తో. And border వచ్చేసి contrast with leaves, huge leaves and florals along with the zigzag kaddi. Beautiful contrast pallu with cross diamonds, florals and paisleys along with the floral vines border and paisley booties. And the blouse is contrast with border. Ee saree pricing and details. Here we go. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Let me show you another beautiful saree. Orange and bottle green color, all over round booties. Border వచ్చేసి contrast with temples, cross kaddi, round booties, zigzag, rangoli design and pasley. Pallu వచ్చేసి contrast, cross design with zigzag border, pasley borders, big and smaller size, and the blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details. Here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000, and the price is 12,410. Lovely blue and pink, stunning combination. All over elephants and peacocks వచ్చాయండి, gold and silver zarito alternate ga, and beautiful border with elephant and peacocks and diamond blocks, geometric diamond blocks border. Pallu వచ్చేసి contrast with blocks design, blocks brocade along with the lovely meenakari elephant border, very pretty border and so royal and elegant. And the blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details. Here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000, and it costs 18,955. Let me show you another gorgeous saree. One more pastel shade is coming on my way. Light olive green ga undandi, light olive green color. It's a grey and olive green mixed, and border వచ్చేసి green color. All over body anta gold and silver floral booties వచ్చాయి. Border వచ్చేసి rama green with lovely peacocks, elephants, and అది చూసినట్టయితే మనకి పాస్లీస్ కూడా వచ్చాయండి. అక్కడక్కడ సిల్వర్ జరీ యూజ్ చేశారు. క్రాస్ కడ్డీ అండ్ డైమండ్ బార్డర్ వచ్చింది. And the pallu is contrast with diamond booties and elephant peacock border, not elephant, peacock border in blocks. And beautiful blouse, contrast blouse with buttas and border. And the saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. One more lovely shade, stunning black and mustard, all over checks with diamond blocks, zari diamond blocks, and beautiful border with cross kaddi pasleys along with the temples. Very pretty and gorgeous saree. Let me show you the pallu, diamond brocade completely with zari lines. And this is the blouse, contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. రాగిణి గారు వీ హ్యావ్ లాట్స్ ఆఫ్ కలర్స్ అండి. మీరు వీడియో కాల్ చేయండి 7337337000 నెంబర్కి. ఏ టైంలో చేయాలో మీరు జస్ట్ వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. మా కస్టమర్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ మీకు కాల్ చేస్తారు అండ్ మీకు నచ్చిన కలర్స్ అన్ని చూపిస్తారు. అలా కూడా మీరు కొనుగోలు చేయొచ్చు. అండ్ వీ షిప్ గ్లోబల్లీ అండ్ విత్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్ క్యాష్ ఆన్ డెలివరీ ఆప్షన్ కూడా ఉందండి. అండ్ ఈ శారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ తీసుకున్నారు కదా. Take a screenshot of this beautiful saree, 12,070 rupees. Send us on 7337337000. Vijaya garu, these are discount prices andi. Ivanni weavers prices and 24 hours maatrame. Ippadi nunchi repu evening 4 varaku ide prices untundi. And live maatrame andi. Meer online lo chuste kanaka meeku undadu. ఓన్లీ లైవ్ యూజర్స్కి మాత్రమే, ఫేస్బుక్ అండ్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ లైవ్ చూసి మీరు బుక్ చేసుకున్న వాళ్ళకు మాత్రమే డిస్కౌంట్ వర్తిస్తుంది. బట్ డిఫరెంట్, ఇంతవరకు బార్డర్స్ చూసాం. అండ్ ఈ సారీ వచ్చేసి గ్రీన్ కలర్లో ఉంది. ఆల్ ఓవర్ రౌండ్ బుటీస్ వచ్చాయి. బార్డర్ డైరెక్ట్గా టెంపుల్స్ వచ్చాయండి, జరీ అండ్ మీనాకరీ టెంపుల్స్. Beautiful contrast pallu with floral vines and diamond design with florals. Wow, the blouse is contrast with temples. Chala beautiful ga undi saree. And the saree pricing and details, here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 7337337000. And for customized blouses, contact our brand and R for Rupmani. If you want any designer lehengas or designer blouses, just contact us on 7337337000. My customer executive will help you out with the best designs and the designing team anta untundi. So don't worry, we'll send you lot of designs. Dantlochi మీరు సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. చూసారు కదా ఈ సారీ. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ చూసేద్దాం. One more classy collection which is in blue and peachish pink. Pink ఎక్కువే ఉందండి. Pink all over pastelis with gold and silver zari and diamonds. Border వచ్చేసి contrast with zigzag kaddi and florals. And beautiful pallu, contrast pallu with pastelis. And మధ్యలో అంతా లీఫ్ zigzag లీఫ్ కర్వీ లాగా ఉందండి. Along with the floral vines border. Blouse is contrast with border. Very pretty color combination. And the saree pricing and details. Here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and take a screenshot and send us on 7337337000. To buy a black saree, just take a screenshot of that particular saree and send us on 7337337000 అండి. ఈ వీడియోస్ అన్ని ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ లో, యూట్యూబ్ లో, అలాగే ఫేస్బుక్ లో సేవ్ అయి ఉంటాయి ఈ లైవ్ వీడియో అనేది. సో విత్ ఇన్ 24 hours మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయొచ్చు మీకు నచ్చిన శారీ. ప్రియాంక గారు, hope you understand. Let's see on the gorgeous saree. Lovely green and pink. All over floral booties వచ్చాయండి. Border వచ్చేసి contrast with kaddi and floral vines. Beautiful pallu with brocade, floral brocade and rounds along with the pastelis. And the blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details, here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 7337337000. Let's see another pretty saree. Orange and green, very lovely. All over floral booties వచ్చాయి. Border వచ్చేసి contrast with cross cutty florals and oval shaped Rudraksh booties. Temples. Pallu వచ్చేసి cross cutty with floral vines and paisleys. And the blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see on the beautiful saree. Light peach andi, baby peach. ఎంత ముద్దుగా ఉంది కలర్. And all over florals and peacocks వచ్చాయి zari booties తో. And border is contrast green color with lovely bright elephants. పల్లకిలో పెళ్లి కూతుర్ని తీసుకెళ్తున్న థీమ్ లో ఉందండి. all over beautiful border with diamond brocade. పల్లు వచ్చేసి కాంట్రాస్ట్ విత్ డైమండ్ బ్రొకేట్, క్రాస్ కడ్డీ and peacock border. And the blouse is contrast with border. And the beautiful saree pricing details. Here we go. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Manjushri garu, shipping is available andi. West Bengal ki shipping undi, global shipping undi, and within Hyderabad aithe cash and delivery option kuda undi. Let's see on the gorgeous saree. Stunning black and blue, all over thread checks with diamond booties. Border వచ్చేసి round booties, peacocks, florals in rounds. Pallu is contrast with cross kaddi and paisleys along with the round booty border and paisley booties. And the blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details. Here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see on the pretty saree, which is in grey and peach combination lo vachestundandi. So don't miss our lives, and we are coming with beautiful collections. So meer lives miss avakunda undalante just first follow our pages. Ee saree vachesi grey and peach combination lo undi. All over checks with peacocks and round booties. And border is beautiful peacocks, cross kaddi, chala divine peacocks andi. Gorgeous pallu with cross kaddi and peacock border with meenakari. Very classy and fabulous. And the blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details. Here we go. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see on the lovely saree. Blue with red, all over silver paisley booties. Border వచ్చేసి zigzag and huge florals and leaf border. Contrast pallu with cross design, paisleys and florals along with the paisley booties. And the blouse is contrast with border. And the beautiful saree pricing and details vachesi. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Shraddha garu, Alpa garu, Soumya garu, special thanks to all of you. Thank you so much. Let's see another lovely saree. Ruchi garu, yes andi, worldwide shipping unnandi. Within Hyderabad aithe cash and delivery option kuda undi, and we ship everywhere. Bangalore ki easy ga vachestundandi. Within 1 or 2 weeks lo mee courier meeku vachestundi. Book cheskunna time nunchi within 1 or 2 weeks lo you will receive your parcel. Let's see another lovely saree. And to follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more collections. So festive season kabatti daily 2 to 3 lives chestunnamandi. So beautiful collections unnai. So miss avvakunda undandi. Daniki meer cheyalsindalla okate ma page follow avvandi, so that మేము ఏం అప్లోడ్ చేసినా మీకు వెంటనే నోటిఫికేషన్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. And for more collection, do visit our website, that is www.brandmandar.com. ఈ సారీ వచ్చేసి yellow with blue, all over gold and silver saree, round booties వచ్చాయి. Border వచ్చేసి contrast with diamond kaddi, beautiful elephants, peacocks, kaddi, diamond design and rudraksh. Pallu వచ్చేసి contrast with cross kaddi and florals, cross diamonds along with the elephant border. And the blouse is contrast with border. And ee saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Let me show you another beautiful saree. Stunning green and pink combination, all over gold and silver booties, oval shape booties, and border వచ్చేసి paisleys and florals along with the vines with diamonds along with the temples. Pallu వచ్చేసి contrast with diamond brocade, florals and floral vines and paisleys along with the paisley booties. Contrast blouse with border. And the saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Silambar Rasi garu, contact 733-733-7000 andi. You can ask him, you can message your requirements, pattu pavadas kani, anything regarding what you want, just WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. Our customer executive will show you every collection. Thank you so much. Thank you for contacting us. Let me show you on the beautiful saree. Wow. Beautiful white with black and red combination. All over round and peacock booties vachai, golden saree. Upper side we got red color border and down side we got black color border with zigzag kaddi, paisleys along with the temples. Contrast pallu with cross kaddi and florals along with the floral vines and paisley booties. And blouse vachesi black color with border. And the saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Very gorgeous saree. Yeah, you can visit our store and it's in road number 56 Jubilee Hills near Peddamma Temple. It's in Hyderabad, and road number 10 Banjara Hills. It's in Hyderabad. It's a different kind of Gadwal silk saree andi. Very rare collection. Bottle green and red. It's complete Paithani style lo undi, but it's a Gadwal saree. All over floral booties vachai. Border vachesi rich diamond border vachindi. Diamond brocade. And beautiful pallu, Paithani style. Very lovely. And the saree combination. చూసారు ఎంత అందంగా ఉంది. ఇది పైథనీ స్టైల్లో ఉన్న గద్వాల్ శారీ అండి. And the blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details. Here ends with the collections for today. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. And this beautiful saree costs 10,625 and we ship globally. Worldwide shipping ఉందండి. And within Hyderabad cash and delivery option కూడా ఉంది. Mannequins prices చూసి టేబుల్స్ పైన ఉన్న సారీస్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. ఈ సారీ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం అండి. Let's see the mannequin saree and the prices. ఈ సారీ ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి పింక్ అండ్ బ్లూ కలర్ లో ఉందండి. సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ జస్ట్ టేక్ అ స్క్రీన్ షాట్. బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీ with pink and blue combination. Let's see another saree. Lovely yellow and purple combination. Take a screenshot of pricing and details. Another beautiful saree, blue and red pink combination. And the saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. చూసారు కదండి. అండ్ లెట్స్ సీ ద టేబుల్స్. ఇంతవరకు నేను చూపించిన కలెక్షన్స్ మరొకసారి టేబుల్స్ పైన. చూసారు కదండి వాళ్ళ ఫెస్టివ్ కలెక్షన్స్. బ్యూటిఫుల్ గద్వాల్ సిల్క్స్ ఫ్రమ్ అందర్. వెరీ వైడ్ రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ కలెక్షన్స్. సో మీకు నచ్చిన శారీస్ వెంటనే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయండి 733-733-7000 అనే నెంబర్కి. మళ్ళీ 8 PM లైవ్లో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దామని. అంటిల్ దెన్ బాయ్. హ్యావ్ అ గుడ్ డే.